Story of 21-year-old Sankhali Shendure is truly inspirational to all the Goan youngsters who want to achieve big. This innovator and techie entrepreneur who owns a successful startup has beaten almost 40 lakh engineering and management students to reach Silicon Valley under the student incubator program Start in College by Startup Village Incubation Initiative from Bangalore. Sankhali Shendure, a computer graduate from Saraswat College with dreams to achieve big, opted for the Startup Village as a startup grooming institute last year. He was selected purely on basis of merit in last year's batch from among lakhs of young student entrepreneurs who had applied for the program. At the end of his academic year, Sankhali, who owns the startup Minkspay, also represented the batch of students to Silicon Valley in the United States last month.
I was selected at the top 32 founders in India who went ahead to create a history when it comes to the startup incubations student entrepreneurs in India. I was a founder and CEO of Minkspay Technologies in Goa, which was founded in February 2016 when I was in college. When I passed out of Saraswat BCA, we felt that we should start something on our own. So once we started that particular journey, I went down to Bangalore to get incubated with one of the biggest startup incubators like IIM's Bangalore as well as Startup Village. And Startup Village is a community building platform which helps multiple entrepreneurs across India to build their startups, and there is a training program of 6 months which train every single student entrepreneur to build a world-class startups at India level. So once completing that 6 months program, we get a chance to go down to Silicon Valley for 10 days and visit one of the biggest headquarters of Google, Facebook, Stanford University, as well as other startups like Twitter and LinkedIn. So the journey began from Saraswat College. We started with just app. Now we have scaled up to a platform where we are have a presence in more than 5 cities across India, and we aim to become the Goa's first product-based startup which will represent Goa at a national scale.
Sankhali, who started at very young age, says that more and more students should come forward with bigger dreams of establishing own startups.
And I feel so student entrepreneurs are mostly required right from Goa, because there is a talent which is being hidden in every single student who is studying in Goa University or who is studying in any other college of Goa. So I feel that every student entrepreneur should feel free to start right from college. Now we have scaled up to a platform where we are have a presence in more than 5 cities across India, and we aim to become the Goa's first product-based startup which will represent Goa at a national scale.
Sankhali's venture Minkspay is a digital platform which enables micro retailers to generate revenue through multiple means. Currently, Minkspay is in app as well as web portal platforms. Sankhali and his team wishes to launch Aadhaar-based direct payment system by August. A reporter Mahesh Govekar from Sankhali.